Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create IQIYI account. The first thing I'd like you to do if you want to create an IQIYI account is to head over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Go ahead and launch any of those applications and locate IQIYI in the search bar. So in the search bar, type IQIYI, and once you do that, go ahead and follow through with the on-screen instructions to download and install the application. Now, after downloading and installing the application, it's going to take you right into the app itself, and this is the app. So it's going to take you into what looks like the homepage, and this is the homepage. All right, but this is just going to take you to this homepage already. That's how you're going to see it. All right, so once you click on the me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and it takes you here, just right on top where you have my name in here, you're going to see login/sign up, login/sign up. So go ahead and click on that. And once you click on login/sign up, it's going to take you right into the sign up window. So once you get there, you can follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. Now click on login/sign up, and it's going to display different options that you can use to log in, and just right under it you're going to see sign up. So click on that so that you can create a new account, and after clicking on that to sign up, it's going to display the further options that you can use to sign up. I can sign up using Google, you can sign up using Facebook, and there are other options that you can actually try. So if you click on email, it's going to take you to the next window where you have to add your email address. And after adding your email address, you have to now create a new password for that email. But it's pretty much easier if you use Google, because once you click on Google, all you just need to do is to select the Google account. And once you select a Google account, an automatic account is going to be created for you. And then it's just going to take you right into the homepage with diverse settings. Now in here, to see that your account has been created, you're going to see your name at the top corner of the screen instead of the login/sign up. So that's pretty much how you can create an IQIYI account. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.